Want to add a professional touch to your emails with Mailchimp's email signature? Stick around because I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure your emails stand out and leave a lasting impression. Before we dive in, just a quick note, you can actually use Mailchimp for free. Check out the first link below to get started with our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's jump into how you can use Mailchimp's email signature to enhance your communications. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create one, but also how to make it look polished and personalized for your brand or business. Next thing, let's look at the basics. Setting up your Mailchimp email signature starts in the Campaign Builder. Head over to the Content section and select the email template you want to customize. From there, you'll add a block for the signature by dragging it to the bottom of your email, just like you would with any other content block. The fourth thing to consider is personalization. You'll want to make sure your email signature includes key elements like your name, your company, and a way for people to contact you. You can even go a step further by adding a headshot or a logo to give it a more personal or professional look. It's all about making the recipient feel like they're dealing with a real person, not just a faceless brand. Next, let's talk about the design. Mailchimp allows you to use basic styling tools to customize the look of your signature. You can adjust the font, size, and color of the text to match your brand's aesthetic. Just make sure it's clear and legible across different devices. Now, the fifth thing to do is test it out. Send a test email to yourself before you send your campaign to ensure everything looks just right. Make sure your signature is responsive too, meaning it'll look great no matter what device it's opened on. Finally, don't forget to add links. You can make your signature clickable by adding links to your website or social media profiles. This is a great way to drive traffic and increase engagement with your audience. You can even include a call to action like book a free consultation or shop now if you're promoting a specific offer. By following these simple steps, you'll have a professional, customized email signature in no time. Remember, Mailchimp's email signature is not only easy to create, but also an effective way to build trust and communicate more clearly with your audience. Before I wrap up, just a quick reminder, check out the first link below for an exclusive and extended free trial of Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.